Welcome to DICloak. In this video, you'll learn how to manage your team members by setting up login verification, checking their logged-in devices, and deactivating accounts. First, login verification. Head over to Team, then Members. Here, you can turn on login verification for any internal member. You have two methods to choose from: email verification and 2FA. You can enable one or both. If both are on, the member only needs to pass one to log in. For email verification, just enter the email that should receive the codes. This is usually an admin's email. For 2FA verification, use an app like Google or Microsoft Authenticator to scan the QR code. Or add the 2FA key to get a one-time code. Then click Confirm. You can also set the trigger condition. Choose Login requires verification with each device change or after the specified time since last authentication, or for each team login. Once it's on, that member will need to enter a one-time code when they log into their DICloak account. The second feature that helps you manage member accounts is viewing and logging off logged-in devices. In the same Team, Members section, click the little device icon. You'll see all devices that have logged into that member's account. From here, you can filter the list. Log out all devices at once, or just log out a single one. When you log a device out, it's signed out immediately. The third feature is account deactivation. Back in Team, Members, edit a member's info. You can change their status to disabled. An internal member will then see an account deactivated message on login. An external member will be told they've been removed from previous team, though they can still access others. You can also schedule a deactivation for a future date and time, and pick your time zone. Once set, you'll see the scheduled deactivation time for that member. You can even connect this to a notification extension to send the member a reminder inside the profile before they're deactivated. For more detailed steps on any of these settings, check out the guide linked in the video description below.